I need to get over my fear of bugs. They cannot hurt you. I looked into it. It's a disgust response. And apparently your brain can't tell the difference between disgust and fear. So even though I'm disgusted, that's why I go yuck. My brain is having a fear response. So even though I'm just disgusted. I looked into it and they said, well, you would be fearing a bear or a lion, but you're not disgusted by it. You're just fearing it because it's going to eat you. See, a bug, you don't think it's going to eat you, but you're disgusted by it, but apparently your body and mind go into the exact same state. So basically, every time I see a bug, I'm experiencing like a bear. Cognitive behavioral therapy can help. So you know what? I think I might try it. I think I'm going to get a little therapy and say, look, I'm scared of bugs. But then I looked up what's the best method for getting over your fear of bugs, and every website said exposure therapy. And I do not want exposure therapy. That was close. Oh my goodness, I just freaked myself out. It's just this. I would like just something to go and work the neurons in my brain and realign neurotransmitters. Yes, I'm afraid of it. So that I can just be happy with bugs. They cannot hurt you.